Good evening, it's Quantrade Edge, and I just wanted to follow up on the setups we were watching yesterday. Yesterday, we noted that we had a failed Forex trade to the downside, and that led to a very strong up day. And we were looking for the violation of this previous high, 41.78 roughly, to then set up a Forex trade to the upside. And the beauty in that was also that this failed Forex trade can often lead to several up days. And yesterday was one of the up days with this cup and handle type pattern that had a false breakout and reversal. But when you look at the break of this previous high, so if you remember, this spike high came from the CPI early in the week, and it did not break here. It stopped 4 ticks shy, 3 ticks shy. Even here it did get stopped one tick shy. Sorry, 1 tick shy and 4 ticks shy. So it didn't break until 8:30 on the official open. And when this broke, again, it moved very slowly. So the time frame in which it worked out was on the 30-minute, where we pulled all the way back to 11:30 Central, up and then down, and then that created our risk bar here. And our risk bar, I believe it's 11 points, 49 to 38, and that's already 38, 49, 60, 48, 59, 70 it's already hit 2R at 41.70. And this could continue in on Monday. We'll see how that worked. And the Nasdaq had a very similar setup, where we were waiting for a breach of the high. I guess it would have been, this was the down day, so the breach here of 28. And when we broke 28, again on the same opening bar, we did get a slightly different than the S&P, but the same structure. This had the up bar earlier, down bar, and then this would have been the risk bar. And that risk bar triggered, gave you a lot of heat, got all the way down to within, 13.060, 58. So, within 2 points of stopping out, and then turned and ran. So, this 42, call it 52, 50 points, ending with 707, so 57, 807, 207. 207 would have been 2R. So again, very similar outcome, very similar pattern, and this is what we were watching for yesterday. We wanted that violation to set us up for the move, and that is confirming that the uptrend is continuing. And if you want to really read into it, and don't put a lot of stake in this, but this is kind of the narratives that you could generate. We had the spike, we couldn't break it, finally broke it, and then it looked like a serious trap, and this kind of a violent move down would have freaked anyone out, gotten everyone to sell out and to get short. And then it's coming right back. And then, Sunday night, Monday, if we do have a gap up, that would have trapped a lot of people that, either, sold their longs here or got short on what looked like a failed cup and handle. So just, following the rhythm here. Hope you are on the right side of it, and have a good evening.